What's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. As you know, I love to do videos on backup heat and backup power for our furnace. I've done several videos on this. Today I'm going to be showing you the JACKERY Explorer 1500 Pro that JACKERY has graciously sent out to me to do some testing with. We're going to be powering my 60,000 BTU gas furnace with this power station, and we're going to show you how long that system keeps my home at 61 degrees, which is a pretty comfortable temperature. So first, let's show you some features that the JACKERY Explorer 1500 Pro has, and then let's get our test started. Well, to start with, this thing is really pretty. It has a nice ergonomic handle. Love the black and orange combo. The cables are also really pretty. Fluorescent orange. So it comes with the 12 volt one that you can charge this with your car with the alternator if you don't have access to grid power, and then we have this cable that we're using to charge it as well. We also have this here for an auxiliary battery if we wanted to hook that up. Now on the front we have our cigarette port, 12 volt output there in case we need to plug in a car charger. We have a light here that has several different settings, so that's nice to have. And a really nice display. As you can see, we're charging at the moment. We show our input and our output, and then when it's plugged in, we have that little symbol there. Pretty basic here. We have our two USBs and our two USB-Cs, and then we have 3 pure sine wave outlets there. So really nice unit, not very heavy, so it's really nice to carry around. This is going to be a great thing to have for backup heat, for camping, a lot of different scenarios in which you can use this. So let's get it hooked up to our furnace and we'll start our test. All right, everybody, so we've got our test started. We just plugged it in. We've got our outlets turned on, and then we have it plugged into just a short power strip, and our plug goes in here. If you haven't seen the video on this, I highly advise you check it out after you watch this video. I'll put it at the end of this for the end screen so you can check that out. It is 2:30 when we're starting this test. As you can see, we are at 99%, and our threshold has already been met, so nothing is happening yet. But if we open this, you'll see that we've got our orange light, so our furnace is on idle mode right now. So we're just going to let this thing do its thing, and we'll report back in a little bit. One thing I forgot to mention is that it is pretty stinking cold this time of year. It's actually 15 degrees right now. My watch apparently is dead, but as you can see, it is 6:50. And we are at 57%, pulling 400 watts on my 60,000 BTU gas furnace. So just a little update, and we'll give you another one here in just a little bit. All right, guys, it is 9:30 p.m. We're at 37% on our JACKERY 1500 Explorer Pro. I'm gonna let this run overnight. I think we should be good. But if I wake up in the middle of the night freezing, then it will not have lasted. So stay tuned and we'll give you an update in the morning. Well guys, I was half asleep as you could tell. I didn't make any noise, but my ecobee app let me know that it had quit at 3 a.m. So we got 12 and a half hours out of the 1500 Pro. I'm really pleased with the performance of this unit, given that it was like 6 degrees last night. It's really, really cold. So 12 and a half hours, but this power station can be used in many different applications. You can use this while you're camping, while you're outdoors. You can also use it, as we tested today, as a backup power source for your furnace or for other things that you need to keep running in your house during a power outage. So it's definitely a very versatile unit, very aesthetically pleasing. The handle is really nice on this. It folds down, whereas the other ones that I've tested don't really have that. So I do like that feature. So if you guys are interested in picking up one of these, Check out the links in the video description. Jackery is starting a sale from the 1st of February till the 15th of February. So a limited time to get some really good discounts on these units. With the link in the video description, you'll find this unit for 15% off, as well as some of their other products for up to 30% off. So definitely check it out. And thanks again, guys, for watching. If you want to see some other backup heat videos, check out this playlist, and I'm sure you'll find some interesting views. Until next time, you guys be safe. Later.